What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Lotted Tech. But today we have something a little different for you. We're going to be looking at the MPOW H12 noise canceling headphones. So these are a pair of budget noise canceling headphones which you can purchase for about $50. But for that $50 you get features such as Bluetooth 5.0, get the dual mic noise canceling, and they also have a 30-hour battery life. So you do actually get a nice amount of time to use these before you have to charge them up again. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. And as far as the packaging, nothing fancy with that, so nothing too exciting for the unboxing. But first off in the box we have the actual headphones, which come in this suede drawstring pouch. So it's not a hard case, but I guess it still gets the job done to protect your headphones while they're stored away. Second off in the box we have the cables and documentation for the headphones. Inside of that bag you get a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable, and that allows you to use your headphones without Bluetooth. And you have your USB, actually a micro USB charging cable to charge your headphones. And then you have a connection card and an MPOW card, which tells you about an extended warranty that you could buy for your headphones. And then there's a warning card in there that tells you what not to do with your headphones. And then of course you have the instruction guide, which tells you how to operate your headphones, connect Bluetooth, all those things. So now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. So here they are. As you see, they have a foldable design, which is useful for that compact storage to save you room in your bag, especially when you're traveling. And here's what the headphones look like when they're not folded. So this is how you will wear the headphones, and they do have a expandable metal bracket on the inside for stretching to fit different head sizes. So on the right ear cup you have your play, pause, and skip forward, skip backwards controls, which double as the power and volume controls. And on the left ear cup you have your ambient noise canceling switch. And as you see, when you do have this on, it has a green LED indicator just to let you know that the noise canceling is activated. So as you can see, these headphones, they do hold some of those same features that higher end headphones have as well. And turning the headphones over, you can now see the dual mic configuration, which helps out with the noise canceling. So this is how it activates and get that noise canceling working. So your top headband has a soft foam to conform to your head, so it's real comfortable when it's sitting on. And your ear cups, they do swivel out. So if you're wearing the earphones on your head, the cups actually swivel outwards, so that is something to note. And as far as their ear cushions, they have a memory protein foam, which is actually pretty comfortable, real soft on the head, soft on the ears, so definitely should help with that fatigue that you get from wearing headphones for an extended period of time. So here they are, the MPOW H12 noise canceling headphones, and I think these headphones are a great alternative for anyone who doesn't want to spend $300 or $400 on the higher end headphones. And for the average person, I think these would be like more than substantial for meeting your needs. Also with MPOW, I know they have a couple of other versions of their noise canceling headphones, so if anyone's tried those out, let me know in the comments how you like those, how they worked out for you. But that's all for now, and until next time, stay lauded.